What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over how to save a search on eBay. Now, if you clicked on this video, you probably have a reason for why you want to save a search, but I will quickly explain why you want to save a search. For example, if you want a specific item that's not available, maybe it's a high ticket item or a rarer item, you want to save that search so that you could check it every single morning and come back to it and check if there's any new listings that you could look over or purchase. I'm on the eBay mobile app, but this will work just as smooth on desktop as well. So go ahead and search for the item you want to search for. I'm just going to search for, we'll say, a Noah Schultz auto. This is a player in the White Sox farm system, if you're familiar with baseball cards. And I'm just going to put a few filters there. We'll search ending soonest, as well as auction. Condition doesn't really matter. We'll be looking for graded cards as well. So yeah, we'll save it like that. You'll see that there's only 2 graded cards that are actively on the market. There are a few other ones, but don't quite match our search exactly. So you will see here in the top left corner, there's that little arrow to back out, and there's also a heart button that allows you to save the search. Go ahead and click on that. From here, you could rename it if you'd like. Personally, I just keep it of what the exact search term is. And you can enable emails as well as notifications sent directly to your phone whenever there is a new listing. Like I said, if it's a rare item, you may want to do that. I didn't do that though. I'm going to hit confirm. Then when I back out there, you will see that there are 2 separate tabs at the top of the search button. And the recent shows all of your recent searches, where if you hop over to the saved, you will see all of your saved searches, and you will see my saved searches at the top. It'll give you a little bit more information of exactly what is saved. I saved the search for auction, as well as yes to graded cards, and that'll reflect it. I tapped on it and it basically filled it all in for me, and whenever there are new listings, they will pop up right here. And if you want to enable push notifications or emails, it'll notify you when there's a new item as well. But that is how you save a search on eBay. Super convenient and easy to do. If you had any questions though, feel free to leave them down below. If you did find this helpful today though, leave a like and subscribe on the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.